welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Anaya Rajim. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you're hitting your post notification bell so you can be updated every time I post. So as you guys can see, I do have my baby hairs laid once again because I will be doing another headband wig review featuring Wiggins hair. So shout out to Wiggins hair for sending me this long 26-inch curly headband wig. Yes, this is similar to the other one that I also did as well, but with this one I'm gonna definitely dress it up, switch it up a little bit for you guys so you guys can just see the different looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this unit and I'll be right back. See, I wanted to definitely switch it up for you guys. Now, one thing I will say about the whole headband thing is, like, when you put another headband over this, because there's actually a black headband that's originally connected to the wig, so when you put the headband over it, you have to make sure that it's completely at least a little more over the black headband. So I think I did pretty good. I think it's showing a little bit right here, but I think for the most part it's covering it. This is another curly headband unit, but the company, again, they did send me this wig. The company is Wiggins hair, so I wanted to definitely show you guys the boxing and everything because they did box this wig very, very well. So this is the boxing that it did come in. Very, very professional. It says Wiggins hair. And then it also says 100% unprocessed virgin human hair. And then, of course, this is the inside of the box. And what came in the box is a headband wig of my choice, which I'm going to go ahead and open it for you guys. I really, really love black. So, of course, my choice was to do black. So this is the black headband that they sent me. This is so freaking pretty, y'all. Look at this. Then of course they sent me some wig caps. You can't go wrong with wig caps. I actually did decide to wear a wig cap under this wig this time. I don't know, I just feel like putting it on, but that's a choice. If you want to put a cap under your wig, you can, but you really don't have to. So this is the other headband that I showed you guys that I also put on as well. This is actually another cute headband as well, and I think it will go with a lot of stuff that I will want to wear, so I chose this headband too. And then has this big, I believe this is another thing that you put over your, oh, it's a scarf. Okay, all right now. I like this, okay. Love this, definitely gonna use this. And then they also sent me one of these, and I don't even know what to call these things, y'all, I'm sorry, but it says Wiggins hair on it, real cute pink. And of course this is something to lay down your edges, so you can never have too many of these. So I'm glad that they actually sent me this and also sent me the actual Wiggins bag, so I can put like a lot of this stuff in there that they sent me. So the packaging and everything was really pretty, really professional. The one that I decided to wear, of course, as you guys see, is the cheetah print one. Real cute. Real cute with the outfit. So overall, you guys, this is a quick and easy install. I would say the only thing that you would need to probably take your time on that'll probably slow you down is the overall, like, putting the headband on. Like, even with you putting your head down and trying to adjust the headband, sometimes the hair still gets stuck because it is a curly hair unit. So that's probably the only thing that'll slow you down. But other than that, yeah, just if you want to switch it up, definitely just put another headband on there. You could purchase this hair off wigginshair.com. This 26-inch hair curly unit is $277.10 on their website. I will have all of their information in the description box below, so you guys can check that out. Do I think that it's worth it? Yes. It's versatile. The hair is really soft. It's curly, it's bouncy, it's perfect for the fall, perfect for the winter. And where I live at, that's kind of year round. We only get summertime, I would say maybe 3 months out of the year. So I mean, it's good for summer too, but definitely good for fall and winter. So due to the versatility and also the softness, the curliness, true to length, you can't go wrong with this unit. You do want to definitely probably tame this unit just to get it down just a little bit, because it could be a little bit wild. So you can definitely use some mousse. I would definitely put the water on there first and then use the mousse right after you put the water on it, because it'll definitely do the trick. Because normally I'll spray my hair and let it sit and then put the mousse on there later, and it typically doesn't work out. I just find that if I put the water on there and the mousse on there at the same time, it kind of works. It's magic. So this wig is very big hair friendly, and due to it having the strap on there and also the combs, there's 3 combs, one here, and I believe one here, and then there's 2 combs in the back. 1 or 2 combs in the back. So it's definitely big hair friendly, small hair friendly. You can adjust it to how you want to and you won't have any issues. This wig feels very secure and it doesn't feel like it's going anywhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video, you guys. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this unit. Let me know what you guys think of the headband. Which one did you like more? I really like this one, but if you like the other one, just go ahead and let me know in the comments below. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit your post notification bell so you can be updated on new and upcoming videos. Like this video, comment below. Don't forget, you guys, share, and I will see you guys in my next one.